You are going to love the 2017 Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, auto-off headlights, navigation system. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.